What's up, people? This is actually near a building where I was working. I'm doing construction. I'm a laborer for the union, and I'm literally right here. We're outside of Fenway. John's with me. He had to go back to the car because he's putting his leather coat away. It's too friggin' hot for a leather coat, but he likes to show that he wants to rock out, you know, with his gimmick out and wear the fucking jacket. I'm down with that. That's too fucking hot. So he went back to put it away. I'm here, right at Fenway. We're gonna get a pre-game going. I'm super stoked to see Guns N' Roses. If you never saw them live, that's your fault. So I went to take a piss, and because it's raining hard, this is what people were doing. That's the difference between Metallica and Guns N' Roses. Metallica, if there's a little rain, we don't run inside and cover and run for cover. That's the difference between Guns N' Roses and Metallica fans, right there.
There's ever changing world in which we live in, makes you give in and cry. Say live and let die. Live and let die.
So you get what we had here last week, which is the way he wants. Well, he gets.
Yeah, here we go.
I don't like it. Any more than you do.
Oh, little Jimmy! Come on!
can't shoot them anymore.
Better than this. You don't leave. It's an encore. Look at everybody leaving. What are they doing? Why is there no encores? Fenway really the first fucking venue does this?